how to use SendInBlue for email marketing tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use SendInBlue to create your own professional email marketing and run a successful business. What you have to do is you will simply go to sendinblue.com and you will land on this platform right here. SendInBlue is one of the very famous platform out there for your growing business that allows you to create your own email marketing campaigns, SMS marketing. We get chat, inbox, CRM, marketing automation, segmentation, landing pages, Facebook ads, and more. So it's all in one good platform to help you create the right campaigns for your business. So to get started with SendInBlue, you will simply go to this option right here which says sign up for free. So signing up process is going to be completely free and there is no credit card required. What you have to do is simply enter your email address and then password, or you can sign up with your Google account. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and sign up and then meet you guys in a minute. So after the initial sign up, this is where you will get. This is mysendinblue.com and this is the dashboard that you get. Now here we will be able to create our own emails and we will be able to run a campaign. Let me actually show you around really quickly. You can see we have email, templates, stats, settings, and then we have other things such as our plan and credits. Then we get the automation option, transactional, contacts, and this plus button. When we click on the plus button, that allows us to add more applications to our SendInBlue, and we can add our Facebook ads, we can add our CRM, chat box, other things to our menu right here. But for now, we're just gonna create campaigns. So I will go to the campaign option, which is the first option we get on SendInBlue. And in here, I will be able to create an email for you guys, and I will show you how to do email marketing, how you can create an email to send to your subscribers right here with SendInBlue. So go to campaigns and this is where you will get, you can see previous campaigns right here. I only have one. Now simply go to create an email campaign. Now we have to give our campaign a name. So we can go with a regular one or maybe with an A/B split testing. So A/B split testing means that we actually create two ads at one time and we compare the results and people have to choose, and we can actually run at the same time in order to test which one does better. But for now, I'm going to be creating the regular one. Let's call it test. All right, and click on create campaign. Now you can see this is my test campaign, and now I have from, to, subject, and design option. So in from, I will simply click on add from and I will add my name and email address. Simply click on save and that's done. Next step is to add recipients. In here, I will simply add a list of recipients. So I have this list. I will select it. Do not send to. Let's say that you have a list which says new subscribers or the subscribers that are not active. So you will select that list and not the other ones. But for now, I don't have such list and I am going to send this email to this list right here. Simply click on save. So we are down with two steps. You can see this one is done and this one as well. We will simply go to subject and add the subject for our campaign. So my subject line for now is going to be, this is test campaign. So I have added the subject line and for now I'm just going to add this text. Simply click on save and now we have done all of these steps. The next step is going to be designing. So this is where we simply design our email and we select from different templates, and after that we go to our editor. So we have different options such as tell a story, sell a product, or register for an event. So for now I'm just going to go with a default template, which is a basic email marketing campaign, and we have the simple one as well, and then we can start from the scratch too. So we can start from the scratch. Let's start from the scratch so you will have a better idea. Let's say that you don't want to go with a template, but going with template is very easy because we kind of like get an idea how to do anything. But of course, I'm here to help you, so I'm gonna start from the scratch and show you. Let's say I'm creating an email for my subscribers to they should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's create this campaign. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is I will simply, you can see all of different elements here. So the first one is going to be the title, of course. So I will simply drag it and drop the title here. All right. So this is my title. I can of course change the font, change the color, change everything from this option right here like we get with our text. I can also change the background, I can change the spacing, border, everything. So let's actually give this a border. So I'm gonna, okay, this already has a border. Okay, good. Then we have spacing. Spacing is fine. We have blog settings. Everything is done. You can simply go back. So this is going to be my text. This is going to be my title. Okay, I'm just going to click on it one more time and I'm going to actually make it centered, aligned. Okay, now it looks perfect. Next thing that I want is I want some text again. So I will drag and drop the text right here. So the text has been added. Again, I can, change the text. If I want to do any settings, I can do that. After that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually add an image. So I will simply drag the image and place it right beneath the text, and I'm gonna click on replace because this does not have any image. So I can go with my files and select from the folder or upload a new one. So that's what I'm gonna do. I will simply click on new upload and select an image from my computer. So I have added this image here and it looks pretty good, but I can click on the image and I can actually edit it out a little if I want to. And you can see I can add different filters to it. I can actually make it smaller if I want to and everything. But for now, I'm just going to save this one. After that, we can simply go back and add few of more things. I will again add some text because I want to actually introduce my YouTube channel. So I will again add some text. And then I will add a button. So the button says call to action and it should not say this. I will simply click right here and you can see I can customize the button. I'm going to rename it and I'm going to call it click here. There you go. And I can actually change the color if I want to, the color of the button, and I can actually make it yellow. I can make it blue. So it's kind of like going with my theme. So I'm going to keep it blue. After that, we can simply go to contents again. And I can actually add few of the dividers as well. So it will actually divide my sections. That's actually going to be better. But the style is very solid. So I just want it to be maybe dashed. Okay, solid looked good. And after that, we can go with the thickness. Okay, thickness is too much. So I'm going to actually make the thickness 1. There you go. Now it looks better. So we can add dividers. Then we have header, footer. We have different styles. Then I'm going to add my socials at the end. There you go. And I'm going to add a footer. There you go. This is my footer. This is my channel name, company name, address, and then we have this option. So in my socials, I can simply click on this social bar and I will be able to add my links here. Once you have added the links, simply click on save and it will be saved. This is a very simple campaign that I just created. You can see we have button, we have title, text, social, footer, everything. Simply click on continue and then you will be able to send this email or schedule it for later. And this way, this campaign will be saved. You can edit it out anytime you want to or send it or schedule it for later. So yeah, guys, this is how you simply create an email marketing campaign using SendInBlue. Very easy to use and a very professional platform. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.